Eat steak, eat a big old steer. Eat steak, do we have one deer? Eat beef, beef, it's a mighty good food. It's a great A meal when I'm in the mood. Cowpokes come from near and far when you throw a few ribeyes on the farm. Roberta Duran ate 2 before a fight, cause it gives a mighty man an awful lot of mighty might. Eat steak, eat a big old steer. Eat steak, do we have one deer? Eat beef, beef, it's a mighty good food. It's a great A meal when I'm in the mood. Eat meat, filet mignon. Eat meat, eat it all day long. Eat a few T-bones till you get your fill. Eat a New York cut, hot off the grill. Eat steak, eat a big old steer. Eat steak, do we have one deer? Eat beef, it's a mighty good food. It's a great A meal when I'm in the mood. Eat a cow, cause it's good for you. Eat a cow, it's a thing that goes moo. Cows in the slaughterhouse yard, gotta hit 'em in the head, gotta hit 'em real hard. First you gotta clean it, then the butcher cuts it up, throws it on a scale, throws an eyeball in a cup. Saw a big brain steer standing right over there, so I rustled up a fire, get the medium rare. Barbecued his brisket, roasted his rump, fed my dogs with the brain steer's hump. Eat steak, eat a big old steer. Eat steak, do we have one deer? Eat beef, it's a mighty good food. It's a great A